Hello and welcome, everyone. We thrilled to have you join us today on our YouTube channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of design. Today, we're focusing on a pivotal yet often overlooked aspect of architecture: entrance gates. Entrance gates serve as the first impression of any property. They not only provide security, but also set the tone for what lies beyond. Whether you're designing a modern home, a rustic retreat, or an elegant estate, the right entrance gate can transform your space and enhance its aesthetic appeal. In today's video, we'll explore various styles of entrance gates, including modern designs, sleek lines, and innovative materials that scream sophistication. Rustic gates, embracing natural elements for a warm and inviting feel. Traditional styles, classic designs that evoke timeless elegance. Custom solutions, how to tailor a gate specifically to your needs and preferences. We'll also discuss materials, functionality, and the role of gates in enhancing your property's curb appeal. Plus, we'll share some inspiring examples to spark your creativity. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy our content. It really helps us reach more design enthusiasts like you. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting design insights and inspiration. Entrance gateways serve as the first point of contact for anyone approaching a property. They play a crucial role in creating a welcoming atmosphere while providing essential security. A well-designed gate not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a home or building, but also reflects the personality and style of its owners. Whether it's a grand entryway to a mansion or a simple gate for a cozy cottage, the entrance sets the tone for the entire property. There are various design styles for entrance gateways, each offering unique characteristics. Modern gates often feature sleek lines and innovative materials like glass and steel, creating a minimalist aesthetic. Rustic gates, on the other hand, utilize natural materials such as wood and wrought iron, evoking warmth and charm. Traditional designs may include ornate detailing and classic patterns, while contemporary gates often blend different styles to create a unique look that suits the homeowner's taste. The choice of materials significantly impacts the functionality and appearance of an entrance gateway. Common materials include wood, metal, vinyl, and composite materials. Wood offers a warm and natural look, but requires regular maintenance. Metal gates, like those made of wrought iron or aluminum, provide durability and security, often featuring intricate designs. Vinyl gates are low maintenance and come in various styles, while composite materials combine the best features of wood and plastic, offering resilience without sacrificing aesthetics. Beyond aesthetics, entrance gateways serve practical purposes. They provide security by controlling access to a property, deterring unauthorized entry, and ensuring privacy. Many modern gates come equipped with advanced security features such as electronic locks, intercom systems, and remote controls. Additionally, gates can be designed to swing or slide, depending on the available space and the homeowner's preferences. This functionality ensures that the gateway is not only beautiful, but also practical for everyday use. A thoughtfully designed entrance gateway can significantly enhance a property's curb appeal. It serves as a focal point that draws attention and can complement the overall landscaping and architecture. Homeowners can personalize their gateways with decorative elements like lighting, plants, or unique hardware, further reflecting their style. By investing in an attractive entrance gateway, homeowners not only increase their property's visual appeal, but also its market value, making it a worthwhile addition to any home.